Hey, this is Wendy Robinson from Wendy J Creative, here to show you a really cool thing called plugins. Plugins are little pieces of code or little programs that you can add to your WordPress website to help you do things like change your colors, change your fonts, integrate other pieces of or other apps on your website like MailChimp or ConvertKit or shopping carts or anything you want to do really. Before you hire a programmer or before you try to code it yourself, always look for a plugin to help. And I'm going to show you how to make sure that the plugin is really going to work for you or is at least safe enough to try out. All right, so let me share my screen with you and show you a web page that I've created. It's actually the landing page for a class that I have coming up in February. And so basically I just use the template on my theme for a landing page. My theme comes with several different page templates. And so instead of using lead pages or Insta pages, I just created a page on my site which doesn't show the menu, and it's called a landing page template. So anyway, the only thing I don't like about that is that it still shows the title of the page. Every page on your WordPress website has a title because that's what it uses to create the URL, but I don't want it showing up. And instead of trying to go behind the scenes and create some crazy code, I'm gonna look for a plugin to get rid of it. And so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your plugins menu and go to the top of the page. On your WordPress website over here on the side, you'll see plugins, and then you'll see several other sub-menus. But I already have plugins open here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Add New. And over here on the right-hand side, basically what comes up when you click on Add New is any very popular plugins that a lot of WordPress users use. They usually just bring up the most popular ones going on at the moment. But I want to search for one that will hide my title. So I'm going to type in hide title here. And once I type that in, a whole bunch of plugins will come up where that has those keywords, let's say. All right. And the first one I see, Title Remover, over here on the left, looks like a pretty good one. And the reason why it's a pretty good one, in my opinion, is because it's compatible with my version of WordPress. And I keep my WordPress versions up to date, so I know it's the latest version. Or I know that this plugin has been updated by its developers. All right, so that's a good indication. If it's compatible with the most recent version of WordPress, or at least compatible with your version of WordPress, then it's pretty safe to say the developers have updated it to work with your version of WordPress, and that's a good thing. Another good indication is that it's been updated recently, 2 months ago. That's pretty recent, considering I've seen some that haven't been updated for a couple of years. Okay, and then over here on the left, you'll see that there's over 100,000 active installations. That's pretty good. That's really good. That means this is a popular plugin. And then finally, it's got a 4-star rating. It's got 24 reviews, and the average of those 24 reviews are 4 stars. And so this is a good plugin, so I'm going to go ahead and install it. Click on the Install Now button, and it's now installed. And so now I'm just going to activate it. And now it's ready to use. So once it's activated, the system takes you back to the plugin page. If you scroll down, you'll see that the Title Remover plugin here is ready to use. All right. And so now all I have to do is I have to go to that page that I want to edit. This is the active version of the page, so we're going to click on Edit Page to edit the page. And then you'll come to the back end of that web page and scroll down in the sidebar over here in the bottom, you'll see a box that says Hide Title. And as you can see, the box is already checked because I already had this plugin downloaded before I started this video, so it probably just remembered what I had the last time. But to put the title back, you just uncheck the box. All right, but I want the title to be hidden, so I'm going to make sure that box is checked. Scroll back up to the top, click on Update to update the page, and then View Page, and voila, it's gone. All right, so that has been my Tech in 10 for today. If you have any questions about plugins or this plugin in particular, leave me a comment. Tell me what's up. Tell me what plugins you use. Go back to my camera so I can see your pretty faces, or you can see my pretty face. Tell me how you like it. Tell me if you need help with your website. Maybe a plugin will help instead of you looking for a programmer. And tell me if this has been helpful. And I'll be happy to help you with any questions you have. All right. So this is the first Tech in 10 minute, or Tech in 10. I know it's probably been less than 10 minutes, but that's okay. I'll be back with another Tech in 10 tomorrow or the next day. Peace out.